What is happening, everybody? I'm here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for a 2-day adventure filled with sand, sun, and fun. So let's do stuff. Are you kidding? The size of this thing.
I'm Terra. That's Lucas. We're on a quest for new adventures and great food. Come along with us as we explore our incredible world.
I'm joined on this adventure by my Uncle Mike, who you'll remember from our recent Cape Fear, North Carolina video. On South Carolina's Atlantic coast is the hub of the Grand Strand, a 60-mile string of beaches. Myrtle Beach is a resort city with over 20 million visitors each year, and along its beachfront boardwalk are arcades, souvenir stands, and restaurants, as well as the old-fashioned Family Kingdom amusement park and the Skywheel, one of the country's tallest Ferris wheels. Along the oceanfront downtown, the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk and Promenade runs 1.2 miles from the 2nd Avenue Pier to the 14th Avenue Pier. Opened in 2010, it's an oceanfront park and gathering spot, as well as a place to take in views or take a walk. At the north end of the boardwalk, Pier 14 is a private pier with a bait and tackle shop, restaurant, lounge, and fishing. Opened in 1926 and updated in 1989, the pier is over 600 feet long. Alright, just a heads up, the pier costs $1. They got quite a racket here where they got you walking through a gift shop to get onto the pier, and yeah, they charge $1 to walk on the pier. So, just be forewarned. While I'd obviously prefer not to pay to walk on the pier, I will say the views of downtown and the beach are worth the price of admission. Directly adjacent to the boardwalk, and standing nearly 200 feet above the shores of Myrtle Beach, the Skywheel gives you a unique perspective on the city. The gondolas are fully enclosed and climate controlled, and tickets start at $16.95. Well, you all know I love miniature golf, and fortunately for me, Myrtle Beach is the self-proclaimed miniature golf capital of the world. So, for that, we are here at Mount Atlanticus Minitour Goff. It's one of the highest rated miniature golf courses in the world. So, let's check it out. Located just 1 block from downtown Myrtle Beach, Mount Atlanticus features 2 18-hole courses. Both courses begin indoors before intertwining through waterfalls, caves, and more as you move outdoors. Okay, there are 2 courses to choose from, the Conch course and the Minitour course. I think we're going to do the Conch course. Considering the quality of this course, the pricing is quite reasonable, with rates averaging around $12 for adults. Nice. It's nice and cool inside. You come outside and woo! Yeah, you're hit by the heat and the humidity. And we're on to hole number 3. Yep, that's a hole in 1. You just hit a hole in 1, you going to Disney World?
No.
No, okay. Are you kidding? Let's get a little celebration, huh?
Act like you've been there.
We're to hole number 5, and this one looks epic. Mike getting a feel for the hole.
Boy, I'm kind of nervous about this.
Sliced it. Nope, kept it straight. It's on the fairway. maybe in the hole. He's on the step here.
A smarty.
Hey, it's your lucky day. Oh, nice, lift it. Oh, wait. Oh,
that hurt.
Duck in a duckling. As we make the turn to the back nine, it is close. Uncle Mike's up 1 stroke. 2 holes in one round already, and he's still got 9 holes to go. I've only got 1 in my entire career. I think he might go pro. And he's in the drink again. Sploosh. How's your swim? It's a tricky shot. Oh no, he's botched it again. It's all wet again. What a shame. Oh, and it was such a beautiful round up until now. Hole number 17, and the pressure is on. It's a close match. We're at the top of Mount Atlanticus, where the elevation begins to play a factor. I'm feeling a bit lightheaded myself at the moment, but this is for everything. This is for all the marbles. There are no marbles involved, but it's for something. Oh, and it's a single. Uno. It's a come from behind victory. I thought Mike had it in the bag, but somehow I played it safe down the back nine, and I guess I won by a couple of strokes. So the streak continues, taking on all challengers. Let's go. All right, we are at new South Brewing here in Myrtle Beach. They've been here since 1998, and we're going to try the nut brown ale. It's called Java the Nut. It has coffee added to it, and the coffee, I guess, is roasted locally. It's a nice mahogany color there. Coffee comes through. It's really smooth. It's not acidic at all. Good coffee flavor. If you're into brown ales, it's really solid. Worth checking this place out. Okay, everybody, my voice is messed up, but we are outside of ticketreturn.com field, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, for some minor league baseball. We're here to watch the visiting Augusta Green Jackets take on the hometown Myrtle Beach Pelicans. Let's go check it out. Located on 21st Avenue North, about a mile from the beach, Pelicans Ballpark has been the home of the Pelicans since it opened in 1999. The Myrtle Beach Pelicans play in the Carolina League and have been a single-A affiliate of the Chicago Cubs since 2015. Since 1999, the Pelicans have won 9 division titles and 4 league titles, most recently in 2016. 2009, Baseball America named Pelicans Ballpark the best ballpark in the Carolina League, and TripAdvisor named the team the third best attraction in Myrtle Beach. Alright, y'all, we're heading to the bottom of the seventh, 7-3 at Myrtle Beach. Let's see how this goes. We have a final. I apologize, my voice is gone. The Augusta Green Jackets made a valiant effort. Well, I'll be honest, the pitching for Myrtle Beach just about choked. But we got a final at 7-5 Myrtle Beach. It was a fun game. Let's go see what else Myrtle Beach has to offer. Our last stop is a Myrtle Beach institution. With rustic wood finishes, license plates, and beach vibes, River City Cafe is a unique and memorable experience that begins with their iconic roasted peanuts, and yes, you can throw the shells on the floor. Next up are the laughably gargantuan onion rings, which alone are reason enough to check this place out. Look at the size of this thing. I don't even think it'll fit. Doesn't even fit in the sauce. Just listen to this crunch. These onion rings are truly something special. Alright, I got like the Baja chicken sandwich, something like that. It's got bacon. It's like Swiss cheese maybe, some guacamole on there. It's a solid chicken sandwich. The chicken's marinated. The bacon's pretty thick. Guacamole's solid. It's really good. River City Cafe has 7 locations in and around Myrtle Beach. Alright, well that wraps up this quick trip to Myrtle Beach. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, because it really helps us out a ton. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, Mike's got 2 holes in 1 today. Can he make the impossible hole in 1 for a lifetime pass to no, the answer is no. No, just splash.